Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Nizamabad location. It is from Telangana. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for probationary officer position from Muthoot Finance. It is from Nizamabad location, Telangana. So coming to job description, the candidate should be having good communication skills, understanding of local language, fluency of English will be added advantage, and should be having good analytical skills, ability to prove customers' business model, and good interpersonal skills, and should effectively manage the customers. Direct marketing of cross-selling products at branches for insurance or mutual fund or personal loan or home loan and other all products, and the candidate should have graduation will be MBA or MCOM from reputed college. So they are preferring for passed out students of 2018 or 2019 recent to 2020 passed out students also they are preferring. So interested candidates for this job position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hrnjd@muthootgroup.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for assistant manager position from Muthoot Finance. It is for a Nizamabad location. So coming to job description, canvassing and sourcing of new customers to increase gold loan business and gold appraisal, revenue generations through cross-selling products and interest collection, maintain good relationships with the clients so that the business can maximize the value of those relationships, customer relationship and follow-up, maintenance of important registers and daily reports, cash management and accounting. So this is about the job description. Please go through it once. Coming to required qualification details, you should have done graduation or post graduation with operations and marketing experience in banking and financial industry. So you should be having experience in marketing experience in banking and financial industry. So recently retired and VRS opted bank managers who has served as branch heads not below the scale 2, who has GIL to work for minimum period for 2 years can also apply for this position. So the candidates must possess good written and verbal communication skills and fair knowledge in computers, and they are preferring for male candidates since this is a transferable job. So interested candidates, you can check with all the information provided here. So you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hrnjd@muthootgroup.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for event manager position. It is a either full-time or part-time job. So you should have experience in conceptualizing and conducting events for a farm real estate in Nizamabad and Hyderabad locations. So they are preferring for female candidates, and they are going to offer excellent salary and additionally incentives. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, or else if you have any queries, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. First number is 7036004000. Second number 9390125005, and the mail id is hr@religiate.in. Next, there are vacancies for business development executives and manager positions for a farm real estate in Nizamabad location and also Hyderabad location. So they are going to provide excellent salary and along with the incentives. So interested candidates for these job vacancies, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hr@religiate.in. So or else if you have any doubts or queries, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. First number is 7036004000. Second number is 9390125005. Next, there is a job vacancy for designer. So with the Photoshop and Telugu typing skills are required for this position, and the salary will be up to 15,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone numbers given. First number is 9989992888. Second number is 8121258888. Next, there are vacancies for nursing staff, compounders, and AYA, and lab technicians and lab assistant positions. So these are the vacancies are available. It is for both female and male candidates. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about these vacancies, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. First number is 9030849639. Second number 8790332690. Third number 93466052125. Next, there are vacancies for marketing or sales executives. So they are looking for mobile sales executives. So salary will be up to 8,000 rupees per month. Qualification will be inter or degree. So surety is required. So interested candidates, you can check with the contact numbers. So if you have any queries, you can approach them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information. The number is first one 9494390888. Second number is 9494390999. Next, there are vacancies for a well experienced faculty to teach for MLT B Pharmacy, MSc Microbiology, and MPHW BSc Nursing. So it is for both the male candidates and female candidates. Both can eligible to apply for these positions. So it is for a reputed junior college and salary is negotiable. So interested candidates, for detailed information about these vacancies mentioned here, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. First one 9346977322. Second number 9346977312. Next, there is a job vacancy for experienced female computer operator position, and they have also vacancy for staff for Nitya Scan Center located at Nizamabad. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9010177747. There are so many job openings available from SR Laboratories Private Limited. So it's a growing bulk drugs manufacturing company located near Chautuppal and Yadadri Bhavnagiri. So these are the locations. So in these locations, this manufacturing company is located. So they are looking for below mentioned vacancies provided here. So if you check here, there are 6 departments are there. For each department, they are looking for some job vacancies. For example, for first one for QC department, they are looking for chemist, and 0 to 2 years of experience is needed for this chemist position, and qualification will be BSc or MSc or B Pharmacy. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position, like a chemist position. It is in the department of QC. For example, next one for production department, they need shift in charges, chemist and helper. So for these positions, qualification details and experience details are provided here, and similarly you can check with the all the departments and all the vacancies provided here. You can check with the experience and qualification details mentioned here for each and every vacancy. So if you are interested to apply any of the positions provided here, so you can send your resume to the provided mail id, or else on or before 31st March 2021, or else if you have any doubts or any queries, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. First one 9666899000. Second number is 9666899111. Next, there are vacancies from medical department. So they have vacancies for doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, wardens, cooks, patient carers. So they are going to offer a salary range between 10k to 25k per month. So they are going to provide free hostel for the candidates. It is from the Gold Age Ashram, Saidabad. So interested candidates, you can check with the details provided here, and if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. Next, there are vacancies for experienced principal. It is for only female candidates, and also for lecturers for all the subjects to teach, and it is from the Geeta Junior College, Tupran district, Medak. So they are also having vacancies for PROs. Interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, or else if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone numbers provided here. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.